Let's be honest. Most smartwatches in 2026 are just expensive notification screens for your phone. But what if I told you the game has completely changed? That the watch on your wrist right now is missing the one feature that could literally change your health, your productivity, and even how you sleep. After living with every major release this year, from the luxury brands to the fitness monsters, I found the single timepiece that doesn't just track your life, it actively improves it. And the company that made it might surprise you. The truth is on your wrist right now. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Galaxy Watch Ultra boasts the longest-lasting battery in its class, designed to help you power through long adventures without the worry of recharging. This innovative watch features cutting-edge health and sleep tracking capabilities that are tailored to enhance your overall well-being. With a personalized running coach, you'll receive customized guidance to improve your running performance. The watch is encased in a robust titanium shell, ensuring durability and longevity even in the most challenging environments. With a remarkable 10 ATM water resistance rating, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is ready to accompany you on water-based activities without fear of damage. Its dual-frequency GPS enables accurate location tracking in various conditions, ensuring you stay on course during your outdoor activities. Furthermore, the inclusion of a personal AI assistant allows you to manage tasks and get information hands-free, making it an invaluable companion during your adventures. Number 2. Whoop 5.0 mg Activity Tracker. Your Whoop purchase not only includes a 12-month subscription to the Whoop Peak membership but also comes with the innovative Whoop 5.0 device. The package features a durable SuperKnit band, designed for comfort and style, along with a waterproof * wireless power pack, ensuring that you can continuously collect data without interruptions. With continuous monitoring capabilities, Whoop tracks the most critical metrics that impact your health and wellness. This includes vital insights into your sleep patterns, heart rate fluctuations, blood oxygen levels, stress indicators, menstrual cycle data, VO2 max readings, and even your pace of aging star. All of these metrics are monitored 24/7, providing you with comprehensive insights that help optimize your fitness levels, recovery processes, and overall health. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. A battery built for endurance. Have the confidence to adventure off-grid with a battery that can keep up with you. Galaxy Watch Ultra features our longest-lasting battery yet, to the power of one, enabling you to embark on challenges without the worry of running out of power. Whether you're hiking, camping, or participating in endurance sports, the robust battery has been designed to support extended use, allowing you to engage in activities for days without needing to find a power source. Your adventure starts the night before. Fuel tomorrow's performance with a great night's sleep, thanks to Advanced Sleep Coaching Squared. This feature now includes enhanced tools and methods to assist you in optimizing your sleep patterns. By monitoring your sleep stages and providing actionable insights, you can learn how to sleep smarter and wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to tackle the challenges of the day ahead. With this improved functionality, the Galaxy Watch Ultra ensures that every aspect of your health is accounted for, leading to better overall performance in your daily activities. Number 4. 1.43-inch AMOLED HD screen men's luxury watch. Stylish design with a full metal body, offering luxury, sophistication, and elegance. The Sui Smartwatch for Men Android features 2 interchangeable straps, enabling flexibility to match your outfit perfectly for any occasion. The metal strap adds a touch of opulence, making it suitable for formal business settings where you wish to project a professional image. On the other hand, the silicone strap is ideal for an active lifestyle, providing comfort and durability during workouts or outdoor activities. This smartwatch comes with a handy watchband tool, allowing for an easy strap change in just 1 minute, ensuring you're always ready for different scenarios. Bluetooth calling, voice assistant, and notifications. One of the standout features of the Sui Smartwatch for Men is its integrated microphone and high-fidelity speaker. This enables you to effortlessly make, receive, and reject calls directly from your wrist. You can conveniently view call logs and add contacts, streamlining your communication. Moreover, this Android smartwatch receives reminder notifications across multiple platforms, including SMS, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and many others. This ensures that you never miss important alerts, keeping you connected and informed throughout the day. Number 5. Garmin Instinct 345mm. Make a bold statement with this rugged GPS smartwatch, meticulously designed for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. It boasts a vibrant 0.9-inch display equipped with a solar charging lens, ensuring you stay powered up no matter where your journey takes you. The innovative design allows for unlimited battery life when you wear it all day, provided you spend at least 3 hours outdoors in conditions of 50,000 lux. Engineered to withstand the toughest environments, this smartwatch features a super tough 45mm fiber-reinforced polymer case coupled with a metal-reinforced bezel, making it not only durable but also stylish. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain or navigating urban settings, this watch can handle it all. So, which watch deserves a spot on your wrist? The answer depends on what you need it to do, not just what it can show you. Your move. All the links to buy the exact models we covered today, plus the best bands, screen protectors, and charging docks, are waiting for you in the description below.